Hi there, students. To push through. To push something through. Okay, as a phrasal verb, I think firstly we use this to talk about a law. So the government is trying to push through this legislation before the end of their period in Parliament. Okay, to push through a law, to get something passed, to get something accepted, even though there is some opposition against it. Look, send in your application and I will try to push it through for you. I will try to give you some help to get it accepted. So to push a proposal through, to try to get this completed, to get it accepted quickly, to get something officially accepted. I want to push this deal through as quickly as possible before they change their mind. The president is trying to push through the reforms on social security. Okay, so to try to get them officially passed, to get them through the administrative process. I think also to push through intransitively is to keep trying to force yourself to continue making progress despite the fact you're really tired. This I would use without a direct object. So when you're running maybe a marathon and you hit the wall and it's really hard, you need to push through. You need to push through that wall. So I guess push through the wall. I guess you could use it transitively, but definitely separable. This is different from push legislation through, separable. So just keep pushing through. Yeah, more and more problems were appearing, but we just did everything we could to push through, to keep going, not to give up. And I guess you could use push through literally. It's to force something through something. It's stuck in the middle. I'll have to push it through. But okay, that's literally. But with this passage of a proposal or a piece of legislation, it's like it's stuck in the pipe and you have to push it through. Yeah, you push and then eventually it's accepted. Yeah, I think also this has the idea of reducing the time span that it takes to push something through. Yeah, okay, so to push through a piece of legislation, to push through an application, to push through a deal, to keep pushing at it, to keep trying to get it done rapidly and without too many problems. Don't confuse this with the phrasal verb to pull through. Yeah, if somebody's sick and you think they're going to die, you hope they pull through, get better. Different. Yeah, so to push through a piece of legislation, yeah, to force a piece of legislation to be passed, or to push through, to overcome pain or difficulties or problems by the force of your willpower. Yeah, you push through, just keep pushing through, and I think that's normally intransitive. Yeah, when you're faced with difficulties, you just need to push through. So what would I say about formality? Phrasal verb, I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but that's the limit. Don't go any further. And then as to origin, I have this idea of something that's stuck in a pipe. Yeah, something that's stuck, and I have to push through. I have to push it through so it comes out at the other side. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To push through, push something through. Keep pushing through and don't give up.